Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Python and VS Code are installed, and you know where your project folder lives. First, create a virtual environment inside the folder so dependencies stay isolated. Activate it next. Once done, install the Python extension in VS Code and let it index the environment. Make sure the interpreter selector points to your venv Python. This step sets the foundation. Without the right interpreter and env, debugging and linting won't work correctly. Next, you configure VS Code to use that environment so code runs predictably. Open the command palette, choose the interpreter that points to venv, and verify imports resolve. Then install tooling like Pylint and Black inside the environment and enable them in settings so you get feedback while typing. After that, create a launch. JSON to define how to run and debug scripts, and optionally tasks. JSON to automate tests or builds. These steps let you run, lint, and debug smoothly. Finally, run and debug your code. Press Run or F5, set breakpoints, and step through to inspect variables and flow. Use the integrated terminal to run pip installs inside the active interpreter so dependencies match what VS Code uses. If you hit issues like unresolved imports or linting errors, first reload the window, reselect the interpreter, and restart the terminal. If problems persist, reinstall the Python extension and recreate the virtual environment. This usually clears mismatched settings and path issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.